Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the difference between plants and animals. So let's start. First point is plants are sessile. Its meaning is do not move from one place to other. Animals are motile. Its meaning is can move around freely. Second difference is they are autotrophic. Make their own food through photosynthesis. They are heterotrophic. Obtain food by consuming other organisms. They have cell wall made up of cellulose and contain chloroplast for photosynthesis. They do not have cell wall and lack of chloroplast. They store energy in the form of starch. They store energy in the form of glycogen. Fifth difference is plants exchange gases through stomata or lenticles. Animals exchange gases through lungs, gills, or skin. Sixth point is they reproduce sexually. Example is flowers, and seeds, or asexually. Example, cutting and spores. They mostly reproduce sexually, but some can reproduce asexually. Example is budding. Seventh point is their growth is intermediate and occurs throughout life. Their growth is determinate and stops after a certain age. Last point is they lack a nervous system and respond to stimuli by hormones, that is auxin. They have a nervous system to sense and respond quickly. Example of plants are herbs, shrubs, trees, algae, etc. Example of animals are mammals, birds, fishes, reptiles, insects, etc. Thanks for watching.